All right, guys, we got the 2010 Aveo, and we have code P0597 for the engine coolant thermostat heater control circuit. So we're gonna go ahead and replace the thermostat housing right here. This part is located just like this, right down here. It is an easy access. You just need to unplug the coolant temp sensor and 4 E10 millimeter bolts. You will lose some coolant, so I have a catch can underneath, and let's go ahead and get replacing this. You will need to also remove the upper radiator hose just from the thermostat housing side. I'm going to go ahead and time lapse it. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down in the comments. And yes, I said E10. It is like inverted Torx, inverted start bit. All right, so we got the new thermostat and thermostat housing in, but here's the deal. With this old hose clamp, you put on the witness marks, the spot it was before, but see, I can still kind of spin it, so I don't like that. So I'm gonna change that out for just a band clamp with a screw into it. Screw style clamp, and just to make sure that hose is not slipping. All right, so we went ahead and replaced that with a screw type hose clamp, and now everything is done. Everything looks good. We'll go ahead and start the car. We'll fill the coolant, leave the cap off, and leave the system. All right, everything put together. We're gonna be using this deck spool for GM cars, and we're gonna be filling it up here, letting it run with the cap off. Oop, Jesus, there it goes. Let it with the cap off. We'll run it. We'll bleed it. All right, so we've been letting it idle, and as the coolant goes down, we've been topping it off. It'll take about 15 minutes. You want to watch your idle, making sure you don't get too hot. You want to have your heater on low, and you want to make sure the thermostat is open. The way you tell it's open is by feeling this hose. If it's nice and hot, you can't really touch it, it's open, it's flowing. All right? So we'll go ahead and keep topping off, and that's about it.